We live life wherever life takes us. We're a family of entrepreneurs, explorers, givers, and doers. We believe in a simpler way, free from harmful chemicals. We do clean without compromise. We've been helping others live safer for a while now, 1994 to be exact. We're born of Norway, but our Norwegian way of living spans the globe. We're guided by our core values of integrity, trust, respect, and kindness. We don't look to judge, but to educate and inspire. We eliminate toxins and waste from all aspects of everyday life. Our microfiber removes bacteria with water alone and self-cleanses as it dries. Our plant-based enzymes tackle the toughest messes easily and sustainably. Our Nordic antioxidants and probiotics nourish and protect. We come with our own caring community. Thousands of thoughtful individuals who bond over making a real difference. One person at a time, one home at a time. We welcome the busy, the budget-minded, the considerate, and the concerned. Wherever life takes you, we'll help you live it. Cleaner, safer, better.